That's that Wegmans.
That fresh,
that's that Wegmans. Man.
I buy 2 of these every single week.
Oh, you a fan of orange juice?
Well, I'm only a fan of the really 100%, where they actually squeeze the orange in front of you right into the damn jug.
You could tell by the color. It's not your average color like orange juice.
I don't drink anything average.
I know that's
Ain't nothing average about me.
Right.
If you want to make it in life, you gotta be above motherfucking average.
Mm-hmm. top level.
First thing we gotta do, we gotta ride out all the way to local Loudoun County Automotives. Gotta pick up the Lambo. Just had the struts done. Just had the rims remounted. That's gonna be a fortune. But hey, don't worry about it. Easy peasy. When we get done with doing that, then we gotta go all the way to pick up the truck. We had the rims done on that. It's gonna be a full day of information, tips, fun, and excitement. Stay tuned, and peace. What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy Bitcoin Rodney coming to you guys straight from Loudoun County Executives. About to go in here and pay this massive bill, get my car back, meet the owner of Loudoun County, the guy who works on nothing but exotic cars that you guys can see right here. Jaguar, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Mercedes, Maseratis, Porsches, Ferraris, Lambos. They do all the great work. So let's just go inside and see what's happening. Come on. My man back there. Darian, can we come in?
Yes.
All right. This is my main man, Greg. This is the guy who took care of my car. What's up, Greg? How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Yeah, how you doing?
All right.
Nice
Greg
to
is
meet
working
you,
on my
boy.
whip. So tell everybody what you're doing here at Loudoun County. This is the impromptu. He know I'm gonna do this that quickly, so it's all real.
Well, I mean, we're a full service and repair facility on pretty much anything and everything. So from daily drivers to exotics, we fix it all. So today.
And what are you doing to my Lambo?
To your car?
Yeah.
So the rear struts were leaking, so we put a new set of rear struts in it.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had a couple bent rims. We sent those rims out and had them straightened.
Mm-hmm.
Did a four-wheel alignment and got it back riding right.
Now, how hard was it to find struts for a Lamborghini?
They have to come from Lamborghini.
Exactly.
So,
Took forever to get those struts. Couldn't even find them. There's none in the country at one time, right?
they had to come from Germany.
All right, cool. Let's go take a look.
All right, come on.
Should I buy this today? No.
I think so. This is
Hey, man,
nice.
you'll sell me this car?
You can do that.
What year is this?
2012.
No, I need
2013.
I need something at least 20 and up.
So we do have a 2017 for you. It's a nice car.
Look at all this, man.
It's a high option car.
What? I only see stuff like this on YouTube, man.
On TV. This is how my garage will look. Now that's what you call power.
This is,
I don't think I want to raise that embarrassing.
That one makes the jam.
Oh yeah. That's looking good.
Yep. You want to back it out for you?
Yeah, please.
Shout out to
sweatshirt.
Okay, yes,
This is what you
sir,
get when you
yup.
spend $8,000.
Yes,
Loudon
sir.
County sweatshirt. Plus, you get good work.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I believe it.
So
I
guys,
believe it.
quick shout out to the main man Greg here down in Loudoun County. He did what most companies could not do. Got me a great deal on parts for my car. Took advantage of making sure my wheels were straight. Great service. Holler at Greg down here at Loudoun County Exotics.
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Do this. So this you can see. For the cost of that's the maintenance.
Ooh, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you can't afford a Lamborghini,
That's just for a pair of struts and some wheels. You know what I mean? So it's not just by getting a car like this. It's by being able to keep it and maintenance it at the one time. That is not regular maintenance. That's just 2 struts.
yeah,
Just thinking about the maintenance is for these cars is definitely a lot more. You know, but hey, it is what it is. Bam.
it's worth it, man.
It's worth it though.
Yo, hold on, let me.
Your boy Bitcoin Rodney coming to you guys straight from Washington, motherfucking DC, making it happen. Got your boy BitcoinRodney.com. Holla at me.
Fake star with the wave.
What's up, guys? Your boy Bitcoin Rodney coming to you guys straight from Rich the Painter's house. You know, he built his own paint garage. And what he's doing right now, he just finished doing the rims here, making them fresh, getting all the dents out of the sides of them. A new fresh background, orange, blue, with Bitcoin Rodney, all the way going around. You know, just a lot more branding, you know what I mean, to add to the contrast. What else do you do?
Just, you know, body work and paint. Also, I'm just trying to get into plastic dip, another thing, peelable paint, and things of that nature. Whatever, you know what I mean. Anything custom you want, I can get it done.
Yeah. So you might be able to redo the rims on the Lambo, huh?
Yes, sir.
Can you do those? Make them better?
Yeah, I can make anything better.
It sounds good,
Hey.
but is it good?
Yeah.
I mean,
Are you on Instagram?
yep.
What's your Instagram?
Instagram is RJC_87.
And this is what you do. You working there? Can we see inside?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, check it out. They killed a dog here earlier.
Yeah, I never know that inside.
She gonna kill me. But yeah, he doing some work right now. He's like, why you joint? What is that?
Oh man.
Buffalo that real quick so I can deliver.
So this right here on the magic happens. So what goes on in here?
I just pretty much from, you know, from start to finish, take the car apart, you know, do the body work on it, and then just paint it in with $10.
So you got this have heat in it too?
Yeah, I got the heater in here. I got everything I need.
Right in your backyard.
There
You
you
know
go.
what I mean? The price is right too.
Yes,
So
sir.
you guys, listen, it's your boy Bitcoin Rodney. You want some work done? I try to promote a lot of guys that I use on my vehicles and things of that sort. So guys, get with my man Rich, get on his IG and get your work done. Tell him that I sent you so I can get a discount on my stuff. Watch out for the killer dog.
Hey.